Well, after about, I don't know, long time, the block is here. I don't know why there's real things out here, but the block is here. You can see it up there. Good enough. Parts, yeah, I'll just it's the cam's ground a little bit, not anything crazy, but all the parts are in here, and just pistons. I mean everything. So we just gotta get. It was a lot. It was like over a couple thousand, so it's worth it. Probably gonna put, I don't know, I think we're just gonna put all new electronics. We got the Holly obviously, but but I mean, essentially, you're rebuilding this much of it. Why not just rebuild the whole damn thing? So I don't know. I don't know. But yeah, little update where we're at. Probably gonna put it together this weekend, I would think. I don't know. I don't know what we're gonna do. But I would think we're gonna put it together this weekend. I don't know what the plan is. I don't know, but it is here. It's been completely redone on the inside. I mean everything. It's a lot. So update where we're at. Don't know why it cut out like that. Yeah, essentially blocks here. I'm gonna push for it to be painted red, like LSX red or whatever they call it. I don't know. He wants painted black. I want to paint it red. I think red will look pretty neat. Now you're really gonna see it, because essentially I'm probably gonna take these out and redo something there, or try to at least probably put some bracing or something. I don't know. I want to take those out, so you're gonna really see it now. We're going full race truck with it. I'm going to drive it on the street. It's probably not going to be legal, but I'm going to drive it on the street. I'll have turn signals and whatnot. Basic stuff. As far as what I mean by not being legal, it won't probably have mufflers on it. It might. I don't know. I'll just see how loud it is and go from there. Especially, once you pour nitrous to it and you got that thing blaring down the highway as you're speeding to accelerator on the person in front of you, quote unquote. You know what I mean. It's gonna be pretty loud. So we're gonna have to I'll probably put mufflers on it and just put like a button for a cutout or something. Talked to a guy at my work. He claims he would paint it on the side, airbrush it, just do little decals. I'm not gonna go crazy. I'm not gonna do $30,000 worth of airbrushing or anything insane. Probably just have him paint the whole thing and then just do little gauges there, and just minor accessories. Nothing crazy. Nothing, no pinstripe and everywhere. Nothing like that. Just basic paint job. So there is that. That'll probably be way out in the future. Guy doing the cage, I think, is like a month or two out. I don't know. We're just gonna have to see if he gets busy again and can't get his line or whatever. So it's getting really close. I'd like to have it out by summer, August or so, September. But I mean, even if it's not running like very great, as long as it's running and it's out driving around, at least I can get it moving and getting some stuff poured through some. As you can tell, I'm really tired. Been up since like 6:30 this morning, getting ready for work and whatnot, just getting showered, whatever. Just really tired. So yeah. But yeah, it's getting close. We got to start getting the Holloway stuff set up, I guess, once we get the motor in, and hopefully it sounds a lot better than it did. So. Okay, so I'm gonna show you guys what we got done. Since apparently the battery died and I didn't know about it. I'll show you guys what we got done. Car is completely out of here. Yeah. Car is completely out of here, so yeah. So, as far as, well, I don't know if you can see me. As far as the truck goes, we're probably going to put the truck where the demon was. The truck where the demon was, and then what we'll do is probably put my mom's car in there because she's been wanting to put her car in there for a while. And then when we're working on it, we'll just back the car out and we'll have a full garage. Really not a bad idea. But then when the Super B comes home, we'll have to have 2 cars in there. You know, I'm not putting the truck outside. It's already got a little bit of rust in certain areas and some damage, and I'm not putting it outside. And I don't blame him for keeping his car inside. And then the demon's going to the guy who's essentially painting it. We'll just leave it at that. Redoing body work on his Super B, so we traded him a demon that needs to be fully restored. As you can tell, fully restored. We've got all the parts. Majority, more or less, major stuff and an engine and whatnot. But so this is what we've pretty much gotten done here. Essentially, we're gonna work on it tomorrow. We're gonna work on it tomorrow a little bit. I don't know, we might get the engine done. If not, we're gonna start tearing. Eventually, we're gonna get within the next couple weeks. We're gonna start tearing this bad boy down. It's my dad's motor for his Super B. Doesn't look good. Doesn't look good at all. Doesn't look good whatsoever. But it's a lot cleaner. The car's out of there. The car's out of there. Here's what I was saying with this. So I'm probably gonna put this over here, back, you know, push it in, back it in, whatever. That way, all you gotta do is back the trailer up. You probably didn't see it. Just for instance, let's say there's a trailer attached to that truck. Not going to use that truck, but example, there's a trailer attached to that truck. Back up to the door, start the truck, drive it up there, you're done. And then I'll probably move my toolbox and stuff over there. Not anything to brag about, but it's something. It's something that's my grandpa's. Doesn't use it anymore. I kind of stickered it up, but the damn K ripped off, but everything else is intact. So shout out to them, I guess. Even though I bought the sticker, but that's not the point. Anyway, here's the block. Here's my block. This is the 6-liter. The 6.2's downstairs. I forgot we had it downstairs. I was gonna put it in that, but I ain't gonna mess with that right now. I've got to get this thing going. I might have a guy doing the cage a little sooner. Not sure. We're just kind of working, feeling the areas. What we're probably gonna have to do is angle the Super B in here a little bit to get it in, because you could probably fit it in here. You can fit it in here. I know you can. It's just you're not gonna have any room. I know you can fit it in here because we fit it in here. We might even angle it, but for the time being, while my truck's over there, we're probably gonna put either the Charger or the G8 in here. Not sure, just because whatever my mom ends up driving, because she's been wanting to park inside for a while, and whatever. I'm fine with that. I'm fine with putting the truck over there for that reason exactly. You know, backing the trailer up, driving the thing on there, and being done. And then I'm probably gonna maybe go look and getting. God, I got something in my eye. I'm probably gonna go look and getting into a. You guys are gonna hate on me for this. I know you are. Getting a Harbor Freight. Harbor Freight makes a pretty big toolbox for a fairly good price. You can get roughly a box more or less that size. It's a little shorter than that, a little longer. Probably about this height up to here, but it's about more or less the whole length of this for, I think, roughly $400 or $500. I mean, it's cheap Chinese stuff. Won't argue that a bit. But I'm not going to be in and out of it 7 hours a day every day. I mean, I'm going to be in and out of it here and there, but just so I can kind of put that thing aside, get my own toolbox over there, start getting my own tools over there, and then on top of that, so I can kind of work out of my own area, you know, build my motors and whatnot over there, and There's the core. I did see a guy on Facebook, and I'll see if I can find his name or anything like that and kind of shout him out in the comments or whatever. He makes a factory core support for an S10 that you just Zeus in and out, or, you know, rivet in it, however you want to do it. You know, screw it, bolt it in and out, whatever. So I'm looking to getting that, maybe not right now, but in the future, and then just throwing that in there, because that'll free up a whole lot of space in the front of that engine. There's a compartment. Which, you know, back to the cage thing, that really sucks. I don't know why I put those on there. Never knew why I put those on there. That was really dumb. But yeah, the truck's probably gonna go over there. I gotta measure and see what we gotta do as far as clearance and stuff for that junk back there. And I mean, it'll fit now, but granted, it's right at the door now. I mean, it's pretty level at the door. So, I mean, it's gonna basically, you're looking right at the front of it right there. So, I mean, that's about where we got cleaned. So we gotta move all that stuff, I guess, tomorrow and try and get it over there. And I'm gonna try to clear the back out and whatnot. And there's a lot of stuff we got to get done tomorrow. I'm probably going to try and get out here pretty early, but I know my dad won't be out here till 10 or 11 o'clock, which, whatever. But yeah, we got the Demon out of here. It's in a trailer. I'm not going to say the location, obviously. The dang truck, I don't know if you guys have ever seen it, the white 1-ton 4-wheel drive, like 99 Chevy, the old body style, not the new 99 Chevy. The dang thing's got a hole in the tank somewhere, and it's just dripping gas. So, not that it'd really matter, because it's probably completely out of gas. You couldn't move it, and it's attached to the truck anyway. But we just have to fill it up and whatnot, move it. But yeah, so it's in a trailer somewhere. Not going to say where, obviously. And then once it goes up to the guy that's doing the painting, he's gonna paint the car. We're gonna bring it back here, the Super B back here, and he's gonna get the Demon in turn and all the parts and this and that. So yeah, but yeah, that's pretty much where we're at. Took a lot of stuff down in the basement, but yeah, I am gonna look into getting a toolbox. I gotta measure tomorrow, I guess. Probably next week or so, I'm gonna go out and buy a box, or I'm gonna try to, if they're not on back order for 8 months. But I got to see what we're going to do, because the Super B fits about the same way the truck does, more or less, maybe a little, and so we're going to have to move some stuff over so I can get the box and all this junk in there plus the truck, and it's going to be a you know what show. So I don't know how long this video is going to be, so you know, but yeah, big things are coming to the truck. I say I'm gonna put bigger tubs in this thing later. I don't know what I'm gonna do with that tire. You can put a lot of power through a wheel that size, but you gotta be willing to spend the money if you don't want to change all that. But then again, is it really worth spending money on a 4-link rather than just notching the frame a little bit, putting a tub in there and putting a 4-link in there anyway? You know, you're gonna do it anyway. Might as well put a bigger tire in there, and it don't need it now. It's a 500 horsepower truck with no shot of nitrous, just NA as of right now. I don't know. It might be pushing. It might be making 600. I don't know. Haven't even got the motor yet. We did drop off the valve or the heads to get the valve job and the valve read, you know, the whole deal. So that got done today. But other than that, yeah, I mean, we're getting pretty good. As far as getting ready, there's a guy at my work. I don't know if he's gonna do the cage. He might be a little quicker as far as timing, and he might help us get out a little bit sooner. I don't know. I talked to him the other day. I talked to him the other day, and that was pretty much it. I asked him if he was, you know, interested in doing it. He was like, yeah, whatever. But more race chassis would probably be supplying, if you've ever heard of them guys, we'd probably be getting the tubing through them, pre-bend for an S10. I don't know if it's pre-notch, pre-bend. But yeah, if you guys did enjoy, just like, comment, subscribe, and I don't know if I don't know if this video will make it out today. I really don't. But like I said, like, comment, subscribe. I'm gonna try and do my everything to get a box over here so I can kind of work out of my own area. Might even, I don't know. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I need to get a toolbox. So yeah. Make sure you guys just, like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. And as always, stay fresh.